Hi friends, in this session we are going to see what is lambda function in Python. Lambda function is a anonymous function and it does not have any name and it is defined using lambda keyword. If you see syntax, lambda space arguments and right side is expression. Left side is arguments and right side is expression. We'll see this with an example. Here I have created a sample lambda function with add, and inside this lambda, this is the arguments x comma y, and this is the expression I have used. It means I'm taking the arguments, two arguments x comma y, and I'm adding that adding with x plus y. Okay, how to call this lambda function means with the name add 10 comma 20. And another example is I have taken list with 1 2 3 4, and I want to square the each element in a list. For that, actually, I have used a map function for that to apply the square functionality. Inside this, in the map function, the left side is the expression we have to write. I have created an anonymous function here with the lambda, and in the x, it will give the each element into x, and we are squaring that number. And we are passing the list L1 here, the right side. Left side is this is the operation of the square function, and right side is the list of the numbers. And another example is I want to get the even numbers from a list. I have a list of numbers and I want to get the even numbers from that. For that, actually, I have used a filter function for this. And in the filter function, the left side is the anonymous function, lambda function I have created. And for that, we have written as x mod 2 equal to 0. This is a condition we can apply in filter condition, in filter function. And left side is a lambda function, anonymous function, and right side is a list we have passed. And another example here is I have a list of dictionaries with employee data, the name and salary keys. And I want to find whose salary is less than 50,000. For that, I have created a filter function here, and inside this left side is the expression, and here I have used a lambda function, anonymous function. In the item, we will get each dictionary in this item, and we have created a condition here, item of salary is less than 50,000 means actually it will return true, otherwise false. Whichever record is true, then it will get fetched into this variable. The same way, I want to print whose salary is greater than 50,000. The same way I have written for this expression. The filter function, and the left side is a lambda anonymous function, and the condition is greater than 50,000, and right side is a list of dictionaries. Let's try to execute this program and see the output. If you see here, the first one is anonymous function we have created add, and we have passed 1020, and it is added and it has given 30. And next one is we have taken list 1 2 3 4, and we want to square the each number in a list. It means we have written for that code with the lambda and map function. This has given as a square numbers. And here the third example is actually we want to print the even numbers from list. For that, we have written expression using filter, and we have to find out the even numbers from the list. For that, we have written this, and has given for us even numbers. And the fourth example is in the list of employees, we want to fetch whose salary is less than 50,000. For that, we have written this expression, and with the condition less than 50,000 in a filter function with lambda anonymous function. For that, actually it has given whose salary is less than 50,000. And the fifth example is we have taken whose salary is greater than 50,000. It means we have written filter function with the condition in lambda function, and we have passed the list of dictionaries. and it has given the result as whose salary is greater than 50,000. It means we can apply this lambda function in map or filter or reduce functions, and it is a anonymous function. It doesn't have any name. Thank you.